Hey guys, we are back with our JAM previous year exam question solving video series, and here is a question from JAM 2024, and the question is that the plate tectonic setting of Benioff-Wadati zone is dash. So they are given a plate tectonic setting and we have to find in which type of plate margin we can expect this sort of tectonic setting. Okay, and they are given four options. We will try to solve all the four answers so that this will be helpful for you in terms of solving the jam questions, right? So the first option is a continental rift margin. Okay, so here the image shows the continental rift margin where a single continental plate has been broken down and moving apart from each other. This leads to the formation of rift valley, which forms the Horst and Graben structure, right? And as the plates moving apart, there will be the formation of a shallow linear sea, right? And there will be a formation of two different continental plate which is separated by a newly formed oceanic plate. Okay, and there will be a formation of mid-oceanic ridge. Okay, so you can't see any sort of Benioff-Wadati zone here. So option A is not the right answer, as well option D is also not the right answer. Then we have the option C, which is called as the passive margin, right, which is the classification of continental margin as active as well as passive. A passive margin, you can see the formation of continental shelf, continental slope and continental rise followed by the abyssal plain. So this is a passive continental margin. In an active continental margin, you can't see a proper formation of all these things. There will be a small continental shelf followed by a very small continental slope. Then there will be a abyssal plain. That is called as an active continental margin. In India, we have a passive margin in the eastern side and the active margin in the western side, right, to some extent. So this is also not the right answer, as we can't see any sort of Benioff zone and there is no any tectonic activity here. The last option, that is option B, is the subduction zone where two plates collide and a denser plate moves below the lighter plate, right? And here there will be a formation of Benioff zone, which is a planar zone of seismicity corresponding with the downgoing slab in a subduction zone. So this is a subduction zone where a denser plate moving down, and this is the plane where you can expect number of earthquakes even up to a depth of 670 kilometers, right? So this is the Benioff zone where the numerous earthquakes have been originated, and this is present in a convergent boundary, especially in a subduction zone. So option D is the right answer. Is that clear? Okay.